is an interesting study. A US-based study reveals that former President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, quote, publicly embraced China as a friend despite maritime disputes. Research group Aid Data reported that the Arroyo administration courted Chinese investments at a time when Beijing was actively working to bring local enterprises overseas. Beijing's development finance to the Philippines reached 950% during Arroyo's presidency. The Chinese investments dwindled during the Aquino administration but resurged when Rodrigo Duterte became president.
Sinabi nga dito before ni former President and now Congresswoman Gloria Macapagal Arroyo noong 2019 dun sa isang forum na dinaluhan niya, China should be big uncle to ASEAN. Yun ang sinabi niya.
Should be. Totoo naman. I agree with that statement. Should be.
Should be.
But are they?
Oo.
Diba? Yan ang question.
Yun nga pinapakita nga dun sa, I was reading about it kanina, dun sa mga investments na may graph sila dun eh. Pag dun sa time ni President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, medyo mataas yung investments nga ng nanggagaling sa China. Tapos pagdating nung kay late President Noynoy Aquino rather, medyo bumaba talaga kasi alam natin yung naging foreign anong tawag doon? Foreign policy niya. Tapos umakyat ulit nung pagdating kay President Rodrigo Duterte.
That's right.
Pero mas nagmahal nung pagdating kay hindi sila naging generous when it comes yun sa mga ang tawag doon yung mga percentage, yung ano nga yung word na yun nakalimutan ko.
Anyway,
pero yun ang pinapakita nila.
Also what you have
mga interest.
You have to remember tumaas ng investments during the Arroyo administration from Chinese counterparts, conglomerates. But you also may mga issues that were hounding the Arroyo administration coming from Chinese enterprises like the NBN ZTE deal, di ba? That was
kaya nga sabi nila yung investment daw doon parang territorial centric kasi mas marami yung kay Pangulong Arroyo, mas marami sa Central Luzon.
Yes.
Yung parang ngayon ang sinasabi nila.
Tapos
yung build program ni
PRRD.
PRRD.
Alright.